How to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. Now, this specific method or process is very easy way method to do. Now, first things first is you'll have to decide whether you'll be using their platform on their official website or through their mobile application. Now, if you wanted to download the app, just head over to your Google Play Store or just head over to the site and then choose on Get the App. Now, if you'll be using their official application, you just gotta make sure that the application that you're using is updated to the latest version. Now, transferring the money is very easy. All you have to do is to log in using your credentials and then your password as well. Now, once you've successfully logged in, just go ahead and click on Send Money. And then in there, you just have to input the details from your Capitec Bank and as well as the specific amount how much you will be sending. And that's it. That's how you send money or transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank.